Good morning, friends. Today's topic is about how to take care of yourself after a hectic work schedule. So let's get started. So today is Monday. It's morning 10, and I did have a very hectic schedule last weekend. So I was feeling little low this morning, and which is very normal because when you work for long hours, there are things which are imbalance in your system. Like if you don't, so normally in my case when I'm working, I don't, because of the work schedule or the demand of the work, we cannot even get up from from the work, and we have to continuously work. And this is something that is very normal, and it's been happening. It is something that is happening with almost everybody of us. So in those cases, how do you take care of yourself? And this, I didn't really prepare for this video. Spontaneously I thought, why not just share my experience about this. So when I have a hectic work schedule, how do I really take care of myself? In those cases, it is very evident that we would feel lethargic, lazy. It's like lack of energy. And in those cases, how do you take care, right? So as I said, just giving you one example, I had a pretty tough long weekend work, and now I just wanted to have some me time and relax a bit. And also I want to take care of myself, so I just thought of taking a little bit of rest in the morning and start my morning. But normally this is not my morning schedule. I start very early, around 6 or 7. So what I'm doing now, going to show you, is pretty already late for me, but still I want to do it because the toxins that's in my body, because of the imbalance of the system, primarily for the last 2 days, because I was working almost long hours. So in those cases, I wanted to take care of myself this morning. So just to show you what I do, to start with my morning, and when I have this kind of schedule, I start with my morning. I don't eat anything, because if you eat, it's going to again create problems, because if you eat, your body has to digest. It needs energy to digest, right? And if there is already no energy or lack of energy, and if you're giving your body energy, you feel like after eating lazy and sleeping, right? So I don't want to that. I want to have an active morning, and I want to rejuvenate again after this work schedule. So what I'm going to do, the first thing that I'm going to do is have a morning green juice. So when I'm say green juice, I take veggies which are green, and I don't take any fruits. I don't take even carrots and beets. If I have to clear my system and get some release the toxins, I take most of the green veggies. So I'm taking bitter gourd. I know most of the people do not like to eat bitter gourd, and then zucchini, and then pumpkin, and on top of that I do have fresh turmeric, so I'm going to use that as a drink. So let me just prepare the drink and I'll show you. So as I said, I'm starting with my morning with this drink, and then I'm going to shoot this video throughout the day just to show you what I do. So I'll take you till my lunch time, or after this detox, what I do next. So let me just prepare now, and I'll get back to you once it is ready. I don't want to hold you on shooting this video for a long time. So my juice is ready now, so this is time for me to drink. This is all I need for the morning to start with. This is going to give you a lot of energy in the morning, because it will detoxify your body, it will remove the toxins, and you're going to feel fresh. So that is why after a very busy or long weekend or hectic, I don't want to start with solid food in the morning, and definitely not hot and cooked food. So what I need is this. So I'll come back again. Let me just enjoy this. And one thing I forgot to tell you is that, which is very important. So when you get this drink, just because there is little bitter, don't just drink it, instantly. Okay, like this. No, it should be like this. Enjoy. Drink slowly, let it go through your system, let it cleanse it, let your body absorb all the nutrients. So don't be fast. If you really want to get benefited out of it, you have to sit and drink slowly. Okay, I'll come back with the next recipe in some time. So now it's 11:15. Now I'm hungry. It's 1.5 hours after I drank my green juice, and I feel definitely good because I haven't eaten anything else apart from that. It's just the green juice, and my system feels so good. Like your mind is calm, your body is calm, not doing anything, you have energy. So the next thing that I'm going to show you is again not a cooked food. So when you're low, you want to have full of energy, always go for fresh food, and then in a form that your body can consume. So then my next thing is a smoothie, and let me show you what I need. And I have shown you a breakfast smoothie. So this is my breakfast smoothie today. I try to make sure that I add a lot of protein and a lot of protein and a lot of things which basically gives me all the micro and macronutrients, so that I need not to worry about any other thing. So what I have taken today, I made some fresh oats milk, so it's that. Apart from that, I have flaxseed milk. So flaxseed you can't just consume just like that, because it is not digestible by your system, so you have to make it as a powder form or liquid form. So I've soaked flaxseed and I made a flaxseed milk. And I made some carrot juice. It's a different combination, so but yeah, it is really good. You don't have this, fine, it's all up to you. So what I'm showing is why you have to drink this and what are things that you can mix and match. It's all up to you. And some dates, and got hemp seeds. I know we don't get it in India, but that's fine. We get this is pumpkin seeds. We do use for cooking, like to make paste for our curries, creamy curries. You can add that to your smoothie. And then I got sunflower seeds. So sunflower seed, pumpkin seed, flaxseed milk, oats milk, and carrot juice. And I got dates and some fruits. It's up to you what fruit you want. Today I'm using this, but you can definitely use bananas or apples. It's all up to you. So let's start making everything. So I'm going to add all my carrot juice in here. So flaxseed milk I'm going to add. So flaxseed is daily 1 spoon. If you're starting fresh, try to start with half spoon, and then you can increase to 1. And the max is 2 tablespoons, not more than that. So I'm adding flaxseed. Yeah, this is enough, because I'm adding a lot of other protein, so I don't need to add too much of everything. So now I have got oats milk. This you can always prepare first and keep it in your refrigerator, so that it's easy. And again, if you actually see, I'm not spending time. Morning I just wanted to relax. So morning I just wanted to relax. So I wanted to make things so easy for me, so that I don't have to spend much time and much energy as well. So dates goes in, little bit of hemp seed. So if you actually see, I'm trying to make everything, add things which will give me full of protein in the morning. So that's why hemp seed goes in. Now some sunflower seeds. It's all up to you. It's all half a tablespoon is fine. So this way you actually see you're getting a lot of protein in the morning. And the kind of food that we normally have is all carbohydrate rich, and that's not going to give you much results. I think because that's the problem with our Indian diet that we have seen, is always we have too much of carbs and we miss on protein. So that's why we're deficient, because we don't know what to eat. It's not like we don't have, it's all about we don't know what to eat. So if you do some conscious eating and you know what you're putting into your body, that always works. So I'm adding a little bit of berries. So this way I'm getting all the antioxidants from each nuts that I have added. Apart from that, carrot has got a lot of vitamin A, vitamin B, is good for your eyes, skin. So it's a mixture of everything that you need. So let me blend it first. So this has got everything that you need for the day. And see, the most important thing is you're not going to give your body to churn the food, to grind it for digestion. It's when you drink it, your body is not going to do much work, because everything is digested. So there is no energy which is going to be consumed for that process, right? So you have enough energy, you get everything, all antioxidants, vitamins, you get protein, you get everything. And the very important thing, you get more time in the morning, right? You get more time and your health is always good. So that is definitely important. So do this. So I've showed you my morning juices and my smoothies for my breakfast, and lunch, dinner, it's all up to you. You have time, you can eat whatever you like. But because I have eaten enough of vegetables in the morning, vegetable drinks at least, and protein, I try to have, in my other meals, dinner would be very light, but then lunch, yes, I add less of some carbohydrate like roti or rice, and then some fiber, which is again vegetable, and protein. So because every meal requires protein, we do require protein throughout the day. So it's all about making small changes, and that will give you very good results. So with this, I'll now take a leave, and I just want you guys to be aware that eating is not about putting in a lot of effort. It's all about eating healthy. And then if there are so many things that we can do to stay healthy, and then do things in a very small amount of time. You don't need a lot of time in the kitchen. Just relax, and this will give you a lot of energy. So just enjoy the time, relax a bit. So this is something that I follow normally when I have done a very hectic when I have come through a very hectic work schedule. So this will help you rejuvenate and keep calm. Again, as I said, don't drink too fast. Just one sip at a time, relax, and then drink. It will help you out. I'll see you next time again. Thanks for watching this video, and if you think this is going to be useful to others, please share and subscribe. This is going to help me as well. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.